Yo, what's up, guys? You're welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my analysis on gold. Alright, so let's start. Looking at gold from the 4 hours time frame here, you can see that the market has been bullish. Okay, so there was a resistance on the daily time frame which the market broke. Alright, so this was the resistance on the daily time frame. You can see the touches 1, 2, 3. Okay, it dropped here again from this place, and then finally it broke the resistance, and since then the market has been moving up. Okay, so since it broke the resistance, the market has moved over 2200 pips right here. Okay, 2200 pips by. So let's switch down to our 4 time frame. So moving over to the 4 hours time frame here, after the market formed a head and shoulders pattern on the 4 hours here, so you can see the head. This is the head right here. This is the second shoulder. Okay, so it broke this resistance, it came back to retest it here. All right, and then from here it fly massively. It broke this resistance, it came back to retest it here again, and then from there the market has just keep going up, 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 up. The market hardly pulls back. Okay, so the market even hardly pulls back. It has just been going up, 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 up. All right, and currently the market has been reacting from this resistance here on the 4 hours time frame. So you can see this zone where the market rejected from first, the second time again, and then the third time right here the market is selling. Okay, but because the trend is bullish, you can clearly see a 4 hours divergence here which was formed. Okay, so you can see this divergence on the 4 hours time frame. Alright, so after market formed this divergence, it went up to this zone. Okay, and from here that we can expect this market to break this resistance and then keep going up from here. Okay, so let's go to our 1 time frame. Let me show you more. So this is the zone on the our 1 time frame here. You can see this head and shoulders pattern here that formed. This is the supply zone here. Okay, so market came back to this supply zone and then it sold massively. All right, but if you notice, after the CPI news on Tuesday, all right, the market was selling from this trend line. Okay, so if you look at this trend line on the M30 here and on the H1 here, the market was selling from this trend line. You can see this rejection here. All right, but because the trend is bullish and then the divergence on our 4 time frame here, okay, the market couldn't sell for long from this trend line. All right, the market couldn't sell for long from this trend line. The market did what? It broke the trend line and came back to this resistance here, showing us that this market is still likely bullish. Okay, and then we have a zone here. So if you can see this zone clearly, we have a zone here which market was reacting from. So it broke, it came back to this zone, it sold for me again, and then it reacted back at this zone again. It has reacted 1, 2, 3 times. All right, so what I expect now on gold is a buy. I expect it to buy up to this high, and then from here maybe the market can drop from this point here. Okay, but I expect a buy on gold from this zone. All right, so this zone here, it has bought already, but I still expect it to keep going up. But if it breaks this zone here, and then it also breaks this demand here on the hour 1 time frame. Okay, so this is the demand zone as well. So if it breaks this zone and this demand, then what? Gold will keep dropping. All right, and then you can see maybe gold can drop back down to this zone here again, 3616 or 3615. All right, so this is my analysis on gold. Okay, and then if you are coming across this channel for the first time, I would like you to smash the subscribe button and comment. All right, and I'll be dropping free signals more often from now on. Okay, so on Friday, everyone on my Telegram channel will made money on gold. All right, I dropped a signal there, and everyone made money. So if you want to enjoy that for free, click on the link on the description. All right, and join my Telegram channel. Let's make money together. If it's your first time of watching this video coming across my channel, I would like you to smash the subscribe button and comment. Alright, see you guys on my next video. Thanks.